Ay, 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 ay. Don't let him take it.
Oi. Can you say hey?
Hey.
Hey?
Hey.
It's trying to headbutt me, bro.
Trying to bite my ass? Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi, Stuart.
Yes!
You're a silly boy. Move. Oh my god. Oh, Ricky.
This is my pet duck, Adam, going for his first swim. Be careful, Adam. Adam! Adam!
Put the goat down! Drop the goat! Oh my gosh. What is wrong with you?
Waffles! Waffles!
I know. You have new friends, but they don't want to play with you like that. So cows love melon. This is honeydew. Bitch, it's not for you. Back up. Here, baby. They always want to leave you out. I know. There you go, sexy.
Come on, Smokey! Good boy. Yee-hoo! Whoa! Holy fuck!
I heard my baby crying for help. I'm coming!
Did you get stuck for goat? Huh? Come here. Don't run away!
Be so stupid. Now why would you even attempt to stick your head through there, fella? Now you're stuck.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Rosie. Why? Why are you up there?
I'm not.
Goddamn. Oh, Lord. Sit up. Jesus.
Don't do it, Jerry! Don't do it, Jerry! No! Jerry!
Hey, come here. Sit up, man. Milo.
Neldy! Acı da bir kulağı. Ne oldu? Ne oldu? Aha. Ne oldu? Oh.
MashaAllah.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
Say hi.
Ah, he's coming into the
What is that, George? What is he doing?
I don't know what he's doing, but he's...
That's alright, you're alright.
Are you ready?
Ma.
Okay, let's.
Monty! Hey, little man. Hi, Henry. Henry. Good. Buddy. There he is. Hi.
Calm down, there it is. God damn it, Chug.
This right here is why we don't crawl. Stand up. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
Good morning. Oh, you found your moo. Good job.
You're not a cow. You are not a cow. Come home.
Jersey, come back. You bitch.
Okay.
Oh my god.